In this question, we have an exponential equation in your basic exponential format, where A is the starting amount, B is the way it's changing, and X is the number of times that all happens. So this is starting at 15,000, but it's changing by 1.005. Now, what does it mean to change by 1.005? That actually means we're changing by half of a percent. Because if we start at 100, which is what you do when you change by a percent, and you go up or down by a half of a percent, you go to 100.5%, or you go down to 99.5%. And then you move the decimal 2 spaces left to go from percent to decimal form, and you're going to get 0.995 or 1.005. So to increase something by half of a percent, you're actually multiplying it by 1.005. So in our situation, this whole amount of money needs to equal 1.5 million. So we have the 15,000 times the 1.005 to the D, and that equals 1.5 million. And let's go ahead and just divide both sides by 15,000, and we'll get 1.005 to the D power equals 100. Now we can use a logarithm to solve this, because if you have A times B to the equals, if you have A to the B power equals C, that's the same as saying log base A of C equals B. So the way we say this is the base stays the same. So the base in exponent and the base in log form, that stays the same. The other two numbers switch. So we can rewrite this as log base 1.005, and the 100 and the D switch places. Now, if you're pretty good with your calculator, you can throw this right into a graphing calculator, or you can use the change of base formula for logs, which says if I have log base A of B, that's the same as saying log B over log A. Now, by the way, in logs, if there is no base, it implies that there's a base of 10. So we're changing the base when we use that formula. So if we rewrite this, we can have log 100 over log 1.005. That's what our D is so far. And when we solve that out, we're going to get 923.3, which is answer choice B for this question.